a beaver ever stops chewing, its own teeth could eventually kill it. That's because a beaver's teeth are designed to sharpen themselves naturally. The front is coated in incredibly hard orange enamel, while the back is much softer. Every time it chews, the softer back wears down faster, leaving behind a razor-sharp edge. That's why beavers can keep slicing through wood for years. But there's a catch. If a beaver gets injured or simply stops chewing, it's basically cooked. Its teeth never stop growing, so without constant wear, they can grow so long that they curl back into its jaw, making it impossible to open its mouth or eat.